Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, I'm Yada. In today's video, we are going to be doing a long-awaited DIY project. It's October and it's officially time to bring those fall vibes into your house, your apartment, your workspace, wherever you want to put it. It's about that time. I know you all have been waiting for a DIY project, but this is the perfect time to bring you all an easy, inexpensive DIY project. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so all of the items that you are seeing right now will be the items used in today's DIY projects. The first project that I'm going to be doing is this mirror tray. So I have this wooden tray that I got from Joann's Fabric. Also this sparkly paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree. For this particular project, I want to paint the tray white, so I have some white paint that I'm going to be using. Of course, you can use any color paint that you want. Once you have that, you want to go ahead and take your sparkly paper and measure out the inside just to see how much paper you would need for this actual project. I took my X-Acto knife to go ahead and trim the edges. From there, once I marked where it needs to be cut, I went in with my scissors. From there, you want to go ahead and make sure the paper fits the inside of the tray. If so, you want to go ahead and move on to the next step, which is to take that mirror that you have and start taking the back end off of the mirror. Take the mirror apart and you want to go ahead and place it in the inside just to see how much sparkly paper needs to be shown. From there, what I did was took my Mod Podge, which is glue of course, spread it out onto the wooden tray, take your paper and go ahead and place it inside of the tray. Make sure you press around the edges in the middle just to make sure that the glue is getting onto the sides of the paper. From there, you want to take some hot glue. I also use E6000 glue for this mirror just to make sure that it was secure. Too much glue won't hurt. So from there, you want to go ahead and take that mirror, press it onto glitter paper. Press out the sides. What I did was took 2 candles just to press it onto the mirror. That way it will be able to be secure and not move around as I start to paint. From here, you want to take your white paint. I applied 2 coats and this is how it turned out after the 2 coats. So now you have a nice white mirror tray. The next project, I have this clear base from the Dollar Tree. And I have some flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99, and of course if you have that 40% off coupon, go ahead and use it. So from here, I'm just using my scissors to take off all of the greenery. And from there, I'm going to cut that stem down so that the flower can fit in the vase. So once you've cut your stem, go ahead and place it into the glass vase. And here, as you can see, I cut it a little bit too long, so I went back in with my scissors to pop a little bit more of the stem off and went ahead and placed it into this vase. You want to repeat the same step with all 4 of your flowers, or however many flowers you have. You want to repeat the same step, and now you have a nice white flowered vase. This next project, what you want to do is grab you 2 of those bright orange pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. You want to grab you some gemstones, and these gemstones I got from Hobby Lobby. They were only $2.99. You want to grab you some silver glitter. I got this glitter from Walmart. And you want to get you some paints. Now for these pumpkins, I'm going to paint 1 gray and 1 black. And you want to make sure you have 2 different sponge brushes. First things first, you want to go ahead and take the tags off of the pumpkins. Move everything to the side. So this first pumpkin, I'm going to go in with my gray paint. And I got these paints from Hobby Lobby, and they were actually on sale for 30% off. Go ahead and start painting your pumpkin. And what I noticed, well, first for this pumpkin I had to do about 3 coats. What I noticed was that as I'm painting, the orange of the pumpkin were still seeping through the paint. So I found it very easy to go in and start sponging the paint versus stroking. So as you can see, this is how the pumpkin looks after the first coat. And this is how the pumpkin looks after the 3rd coat. And as you can see how I sponged around the pumpkin. It made it so much easier for the orange not to show. So from here, you want to go ahead and take your glitter, place it onto the pumpkin while the pumpkin is still wet. After you do that, you want to go ahead and take your gemstones and start placing them around onto the pumpkin. From here, you want to repeat the same step that you did for the first pumpkin. And as you can see, the black pumpkin turned out so cute. The gray pumpkin turned out so cute. These items that you're seeing, the little pine cones, the little balls, and the little orange leaves, I got those from Walmart for 98 cents. And this is how the arrangement turned out. I'm super excited. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!